welcome to our first vlog, hopefully one of many, probably not. We're off skiing today, so we'll take you with us. We'll get changed in a minute, or do you like to call it the same thing? Got my lovely cast on. I'm Luke, who are you?
Anna.
Someone's nervous for the camera.
Try
3,
to click.
2, 1. Oh, that was a bad spin. That was easy. That's the quickest getting dressed I've ever done. Right, should we go? What cool transition should we do? You can give
a sweep.
Huh?
Ready? Do the sweep.
And then the next thing comes. You move the frame away, and then the next one comes in.
Wait, so one I'm going to be sweeping it.
And then the next one sweeps in.
Yeah, so
No,
I'm
you
going to
don't
sweep the camera.
You don't sweep the camera.
What do I sweep?
Your hands.
It's my hand.
Ready?
But in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Alright, you sweep it. Wait, who's doing sweeping?
I can do the sweeping.
You do the sweeping then.
Ready?
Wait, do it in front of the camera. That's too far away. Go up to it. Sweep. So what were we just discussing?
Would you rather never ski again or never see me again?
Never ski again, or never see you again. Would you rather never ski again or never see me again?
Never ski again.
Really? Yeah. Oh, that's a bit awkward. Oh, can I still snowboard?
If you want.
Is it an,
Oh
I can...
no, I wouldn't snowboard with that thumb.
No, I don't mean today. I mean, can I choose to never see you again, but
Yeah,
I
you
can still snowboard?
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah. Oh, sunshine. Yeah, I guess I'd just snowboard instead. Like, that's pretty good too. So I guess I'd see you again, but snowboard. Which is that a good answer?
Yeah.
It's not the truth though. We're currently off to get our skis. Can show you what Bulgaria is like. Love you. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, look at that weather. Hangers. You excited? Let's go. Right, you ready? Aloha! Skirt! Look at that for a view. Not bad, is it? Alright, where should we go?
Let's go down.
Right, we're going down. That was a good description. I was about to go uphill, but let's go downhill. Game changer. Alright, let's go! See, one of the best things about skiing is those views behind. Lovely stuff. I think I might mention my naked ski run, bang that in there. Use a bit of clickbait for the title. I'll use a photo of you, and then I will put includes naked ski run, and then obviously it will be Dom last year. That'll be good. So I tell you what, as soon as this is what you wanted, we'll switch to the naked ski run now. That was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Slight issue, but turns out the older man recording that naked ski run may or may not have been a paedophile. But we had fun anyway. It's alright now, don't ask. Bit of a sticky situation. Cheeky montage?
With what?
Oh, we'll put a cheeky montage of skiing in.
Yeah,
Apart from that, we'll just go back around. girlfriend. It's alright. What do you think about skiing with a boyfriend?
I love that.
Do you? Oh, I love a T-bar. Good fun. I am very tempted to, you know, knock you off, and you might dump me, but at least it might go viral. It'll be worth it. See how far I can push it. Oh well. Alright. Smash it down this one in a sec. Go get hot chocolate later. And kebab. Kebab.
That's what they call it here, a kebab.
A kebab. Well, we're actually, what is it with chips in? The Greek thing?
Gyros.
Yeah, oh, gyros. Why don't kebabs in England all have chips in? They're just better. You've not been to Greece, have you?
No.
They're pretty much the same.
They're
just weird stuff.
alone.
In Greece last time, when I went on Boys on Tour to Malia, we got some gyros, but we had feta and tzatziki in.
Oh.
So fucking good. Like, because we went to the same place like every day, and he gave us loads of drinks and discount. It was funny. He had loads of photos on the wall, and he had like photos of him of like Ronaldo and Elvis Presley and all these famous people. I have no clue how he'd managed to meet. It was a joke.
Cool.
Thank you. Enjoy. So, skiing's all over. Doing a bit of revision session before we might go have some drinks, play some games. I'm going to smash some pool games. Do you guys think I should squirt some water at her now? She's just done her makeup, so she'll probably be very pissed off. I think you should drop a like if yes. 3, 2, 1.
Dude, that's all my work!
At back phone. Alright, so we're in some weird bubble tent thing. Got a lovely fire going on down there. Lovely Christmas tree. Just ready for some burgers, so we'll see how they come. Hope they look so I'm excited. Oh, food is here. Got some fries going on, nearly all gone. Look at that. Gorgeous. Give it.
Hello.
About to fly home, and we're on a Ryanair flight, so thought I'd come matching with blend right in, so no one will ever find me. Alright, have you had a good holiday?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Alright, thank you, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Like, subscribe for more. First one ever, so see you later.